yan.
Sabi mo nga ayaw mo.
Thank you, Lord.
What the heck? Paano kaya nag-reset ako? Ayaw gumana.
Oh, what's the stuck?
How much is this worth yung binigay ni Jandel? I want to sell this. Abag to.
Thank you, Lord.
Do you guys want me to run the Abby again? Yes!
Yes. Yes.
Yes! Yes! Next time Elder Scrolls.
Yes, bro.
Show me gear shop. Ay, egg shop. Wala pa.